a student, you're just going to want to click on the homeroom overview, and then you can click the student's name that you would like to skip classes for. From there, you're going to go into their progress, and then you're going to click on all courses. You're going to have to go through each one individually. So you can click on math to start. Click on unit list. And then once that unit list comes up, you can just click change unit status. I want to skip the student out of this unit, save, and you'll do that for all of the units and lesson you want to skip the student out of. If there are not full units that you are skipping them out of, you also have the option just to click on each individual lesson to skip the lessons. So you can also just click, I want to skip this lesson. The easiest way to do it though is just to click change unit status, skip the unit, and click save.